Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, it's going to be pretty short. I actually got home from work yesterday. It was also my 12-year anniversary with my husband, and it was hard to find food because of course it was Mother's Day, because that was on the 9th. Yeah, so it kind of sucked. We weren't able to really find any good, I mean, we did find burgers and stuff, but you know, we were trying to get like actual steak, but places either they weren't delivering or on DoorDash it was pretty crazy, like everything was like 90 minutes or they weren't even like online ordering at the time. Anyways, we ended up getting burgers from a place called Zell's and then passed the fuck out. I don't know what it was, but yeah, that food, tired as shit. But I ended up waking up at like 1 or 2 in the morning and I don't know what I did, and I'm looking in a mirror right now. I had a bump underneath my eye. I don't know if I scratched it. I put some alcohol on it and it burned, so I'm thinking maybe I scratched it. I see a little bit left over this morning of where it was, and it was like right here underneath my eye. So I'm not going to do any makeup today. I just want to make sure that goes away, but just going to unbox something really quick. I got this in the mail from Black Moon Cosmetics. If you remember from one of my previous videos, I showed you how the wand, the little tip inside the thing broke, and I contacted them about it. And they said, okay, cool, you know, there's going to be something coming in the mail for me. So I got this box, and I already opened it up because I wanted to see, you know, obviously what they sent me. I just asked them, hey, can you send me the component, the cap component, because the product inside the original product is fine. They ended up sending me a whole new thing. Like, look at that, that's so great. So, you know, that's all that was in here. Don't even have a note or anything. But yeah, so this is the Cosmic Iris Liquid Luminous Eyeshadow. That's the packaging. I don't even know where my original one is here. I don't know where I put it. I didn't put it back with the rest of my liquid, or with, you know, with my singles eyeshadows basically, but, so, bloop, there it is. Hopefully we don't have the same problem with the tip breaking, but basically that little tip is what broke off of the other one. I will swatch this here for you so you can see what it looks like though. It was very nice of them to send this to me, and they sent it to me completely free, and you know, I got it really fast. But this is what the product looks like. You know, I hadn't even used it yet. So yeah, wherever the other one is now, I guess when this one's out, I can use that one. So it was very nice of them. So thank you very much, Black Moon Cosmetics. I really appreciate it. Super awesome of you. So yeah, that's really all I have for now. I will, you know, I'll show you the stuff I got from, I'll show you a few things here. I'm just, again, not going to do my makeup because I think, but let me wipe this off my hands. Okay, something else exciting. I got my BoxyCharm add-on order, and look what I got. So excited. I got the funky Jubilee Natasha Denona palette, and I already swatched that blue, so I actually wiped it on the white container below so you can see it's not actually black, it is blue, and I think it's like a cream type shade, so that's great. A little sad about my eye now. Okay, but anyways, let's look at the Trendmood stuff. I made a little shorts about it. I have some of the products here. I've already tried using them a little bit. So this is the box it came in. Some of the products had little informations on them, but you know, they packaged it up really nicely. I don't know why there's like a scan me bar right there, but yeah, nothing else really. No information inside of the box. This is what the top of the box looks like. So first thing, we'll do this. So I already used this actually on my face. So this is the Biossance, I don't know how to say it, Biossance Squalene plus PHA Pore Minimizing Toner, and to me, I don't know if anyone else has tried this, I don't even know if it's out yet, I don't know really how Trendmood works, but this smells kind of like cucumbery. I don't know, like cucumber melon maybe? I don't know, I have no idea, but that's just the scent I'm picking up. Maybe my nose ain't working very well, but I use that on my face. It's very nice, very calming. And then the next thing we had is the Glow Recipe. This is Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. It does smell just like the other watermelon. I have a watermelon product, you know, from Glow Recipe, and it smells just like that. It's not overpowering or anything, which is very nice. I'm a fan of that, so I'm gonna make sure that I actually stick this in my bathroom so that I can use this when I get out of the shower. And then the next thing we have was the Tatcha. This is the Silk Powder. I think this actually came with a little information packet too, which is funny. Oh yeah, here we go. I didn't look at this before. From Japan with Love. What does this say? Okay, let's see what this says. Centuries ago, when geisha appeared by candlelight, they applied an opaque white makeup called, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, oshiroi, to better illuminate their faces and give their skin a silky smooth porcelain finish. Traditionally made with protective natural ingredients like zinc, oshiroi, sorry if I'm butchering that, powder had the added benefit of shielding the skin from pollutants. Inspired by this time-tested ritual, we created the silk powder, an innovative setting and finishing powder that cocoons skin against the harmful pollution and blue light stressors that damage skin. With the sweep of a brush, skin is covered in a caring veil for a flawless finish that lasts all day. Okay, that's cool. So this is the box. The inside says, beautiful faces, beautiful futures. Your purchase supports equality through education. Well, I am all for that. I think the Trendmood Box was $45, and this is like new products or like super hot products. I don't know. I'm not going to go for this again. It was just really cool, I guess, to say that, you know, hey, I got this stuff. We're opening up this right now. Oh, the inside is very funky. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I open it up on the inside. Okay, so I pulled that little ring up, and now I don't know. I don't know what to do next. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? I mean, it actually looks like there's a little bit of powder coming up here. Why is there no instructions? That's my question. I don't know. What do you do? Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna shake it up and see if shake it once, see what happens. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to read about that, but a little bit of powder came up out of like there seemed to be like maybe two small holes. Okay, whatevs. Okay. And then the last thing we had here, this was an eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I don't know if this is the name, but on the very front of this package it says, never apologize for being a powerful woman. And here's the back of the packaging. I mean, this is a cute little palette. I mean, the packaging is just beautiful. Adorable. Okay. And then when you open it, it has 6 pans and it says Born to Make History. I will swatch these for you right here. Ooh, okay, so this is the inside again. Now it looks like there's a pressed glitter in here. Already the first one swatches very nicely. Ooh, wow, the pressed glitter swatches nicely too. I bet these are gonna stain, because at least the one color is already stained my fingers. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this Empire one, this one in here is a duochrome for sure. It's gotta be. It's gotta be. There's no question in my mind. I'd be surprised if they say it's not. Okay, so there's the colors here on my hand. So the first color on the left, yes, that is really pretty. The glitter there is Reina. The kind of beige pink is Self-Made. That middle color, that middle bright pink, that is Boss Babe. The one next to that is Powerful Bitch, but with a star instead of an eye. And then that duochrome, ooh, it's so pretty, that color, that is Empire. That color is, oh my god, I hope it's coming up on the screen because it is beautiful. Okay, cool. Okay, so that was the Trendmood box. So very nice. So that's about all I have to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm taking this off my hand right now. I definitely don't want the glitters to get everywhere. So I'm gonna have another vacation, and I got 2 trips and then I have another vacation because I'm going to a wedding on the East Coast, and we're driving, me and my mom, my sister, and her boyfriend, so that we don't have to fly. Driving my Jeep. It's exciting because my dad, who's dead, would drive from Chicago to like Florida, Chicago to the East Coast, and I just want to say, hey, I did it at least once. I drove just like him. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I didn't do my makeup, but again, I'll report back later on whatever this is going on. Don't want to fuck with it right now. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.